What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the cake of fortune. Okay, so it's been 9 days since I joined the platform. Okay, so how much I have made so far. Okay, so scrolling all the way down, you can see that in my wallet, I have 4.6k at the moment. Okay, so that means I am 4.6% ROI. Okay, because I'm not in a rush. This is a long-term play, and if you play the game right, you will make profits. Because if you just come over here and take your fortune, that means claim, 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 your daily APR, what's gonna happen? It will decrease. Okay, it will decrease. But um, you gotta play the strategy. There are several strategies to go about miners. Okay, so I'm doing my own strategy, and so far so good. Okay, so I have 360 miners. Did I say? Oh, I didn't say over here. So I have 360 miners. Okay, and 360 miners. So let me see. It's worth about probably 360, 85k. Okay, even though I deposited 100k to start with, and then I compounded a little bit. Okay, so that means I withdrew and reinvested. Okay, so I didn't hire more hunters. Okay, so I cashed out and redeposit. Okay, so now my 360 miners are worth 85k. Okay, so that means I am no longer earning 3% a day, which is fine. I'm okay with that. Okay, guys, because honestly, earning more than 1% per day in any platform, it's a blessing. Okay, so shout out to Fortune Hunters for putting out this amazing project. Okay, it's been live for 11 months, I guess. 11 months, and in one more month it will be 12 months, a year. So I was just checking the contract balance, right? So the contract balance has 21.2 cake, okay, which is worth at the current price $78,000. So last time I spoke about cake, the value was 70k. Okay, coming down to the token balance, we can see that from the 1st of Jan or 1st of February, we had 6.8. Okay, and then as you can see right here, it keeps coming up and up and up and up. And today we are on the 1st of February, we had 6.8k cake in the balance. Okay, and today, nearly 2 months later, okay, we have 21k cake in the total deposit. Okay, this is amazing. As you can see right here, months and months later after the launch, it still grows. And another interesting thing is, we've come over here to token transfer amounts. It shows the in and outs of the smart contract. Okay, so the blue line or gray line, whatever you want to call it, it's the tokens that went out of the smart contract, and the red line or the red bar, sorry, not red bar, the black bar is the amount of tokens that went in. Okay, as you can see right here, we see more cake going inside the smart contract than going out. Okay, this must mean something. Okay, guys, so people are bullish about the project, and this is what I like to see. Okay, a healthy smart contract. As you can see, red bar, oh sorry, I keep saying red bars, the black bars is the money going in this case the cake going in. Okay, it's been higher than the cake going out, which is really, really good to see. Okay, guys, so clearly the team, that the community are playing their part in regards to take profits and redeposit 50-50 strategy, whatever you want to call it. As long as you play your part, this beast can be around for quite some time. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what I have been doing so far. Okay, so right now I have how many cake? 7.7 cake. So what I will do, I will take my fortune, means claiming. I am going to claim this cake. So I will have 7, probably 12 point something cake, or probably 13 cake. Yeah, 12 cake out. 12, between 12 and 13 cake. Okay, so I'm going to claim this gas fee, pay this gas fee. Okay, gas fee has been paid. Just waiting for the confirmation, and the cake will be in my wallet. It's taking a bit of a time. It's taking longer than usual. Yeah, I did confirm my MetaMask and Ledger. Let me pause it. Okay, so the cake it's in, so I have 12.345. Okay, so what I will do with it right now, instead of doing 50-50 from my 7 cake that I've received, I am doing 50-50 from my wallet. Okay, so instead of depositing 3 point, let's say 3.5, which is uh, half of 7 cake, okay, I am going to deposit 6 cake, or 6.1 cake. Okay, and one thing that I find is strange is I have to approve all the time. I thought once you do the approval once, you can go straight ahead and hide the miners. But let me just show you this. So I'm gonna invest 6.1 cake. So let me go ahead. That will give me 25 million miners. So as you can see, I have to approve. I have to approve all the time, which is fine. Okay, it only takes a few seconds, but it's just gas fees wasting on approval, because I believe once you approve, let's say 100 cake, you don't have to approve up to 100 cake, but clearly it's not the case. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to approve, and I'm going to hide these miners, and yeah, I'll be good to go. Okay, I am in. So currently I have 386 miners. Okay, so let's do a quick maps, and let's see how much I am going to roughly get per day. Okay, 300, so 90, 92, 91 minus. So 91 cake, it's 385 million miners. Okay, so I am earning, so I'm gonna earn yield on 91 miners. Okay, so I'm gonna earn 3% on 91 miners. So if you open the calculator right here, so 91 cake, I mean, so 91 cake times 3% equals 2.73. So tomorrow I am going to have roughly 2.73 cake. Okay, yeah, 2.73 cake. So yeah, still paying out the cake. Okay, so clearly my daily APR is decreasing. Okay, which is normal, because this is a miner, and the miner fluctuates, goes up and down. The APR goes up and down. Once the team eventually inject funds into the smart contracts, okay, the miners will become more expensive, and my daily APR will increase. So as it stands right now, my ROI is 6.245%. Okay, again, guys, this is a long-term play, guys. I'm not in a rush, because otherwise I would just kept those 12 BNB, 12 cake in my wallet and move on from that. So this is a long-term play, okay, guys. So you gotta play the game right in order to make profits in the long run, because once cake goes back to 14 or 16 bucks, okay, so if you're getting like 2 cake a day, all right, 2 cake a day will be like almost 25 to 30 bucks, okay, easy from just 100k investment. Okay, that's why I'm not in a rush. Okay, as long as everybody keeps playing their part, and I'm not really concerned about everybody, because if majority of the people just claim, okay, their daily APR will continue to drop. Okay, and then they will be earning less and less, while those that play the game, okay, kept on depositing, they kept the daily APR higher, okay, and they keep earning the sweet cake. Okay, so that's my opinion and thoughts about cake. This is my journey. Okay, guys, in a few weeks time I'm going to give you another update about the project, but so far so good. Cake of Fortune, nearly 12 months old and still printing and growing by the day. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.